how to add a join button to your YouTube channel. So if you've seen this join button on YouTube, you may want to go and add it to your own channel. Now what this does is it allows people to go and join as a member to your channel, and you can basically have different subscription tiers that people can go and subscribe to. So in order to add this button, first head over to the YouTube website. You could do this on both a mobile and also computer. Now click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select YouTube Studio. Now from the left hand side, go and click on Earn. And then you can scroll down and you'll see the option for memberships. Now before you can add this to your channel, there are a few requirements. So if you scroll down, you'll see the eligibility. And before you can add the join button, you first need 500 subscribers. And you also need to make sure that you match one of the following criteria. So you either need 3,000 watch hours on long form videos, or alternatively, you need 3 million views on short videos instead. Now what you can do is you can press the get notified button, and then it will tell you when you're eligible to apply for the YouTube memberships. Now once you have applied for the memberships and you have it on your YouTube channel, you'll see this new tab called memberships. Go and click on this. And then over on the right hand side, you'll see these membership offers. And basically what you can do is you can go and create different membership tiers for your YouTube channel.